Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Hello Pangong Lake. It's mesmerizing, right? Today we are gonna visit Leh again. This is Changla Pass. Hopefully I have pronounced it correctly. This is probably Soham Dada's video session or photo session, I don't know. Okay, post change. Here is the director or instructor. Okay, don't underestimate our Shah Rukh Khan, okay? Okay, director is here. She's correcting the pose or posture. Okay. Very fascinating royal haunted house, I guess. I don't know. I'm just exploring. Hello Leh, we are back! You can see the amazing balcony and the view obviously. Let's enjoy the view. As you have seen, we were in the Tara Palace previous night and today we are back to our previous hotel. It's Mickey or Newton? I'm confused, you know. Hello! তুমি আমার সমস্যা
আমি তোর কন্টেন্ট বাহ
Hello বাকি লোক and two more. To be very honest, it was Dalai Lama's birthday. That's why most of the shops of the Leh Mall were closed. Good morning, Leh. Really suspicious. They are planning something really dangerous, I guess.
হ্যালো
Goodbye, Leh. फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते. Today we are going to Kargil.
हमको लूट लिया,
हमको भी लूट लिया,
मुझे लूट लिया,
मुझे भी लूट लिया। किसने लूटा अभी?
ये तो वक्त बताएगा.
किसने लूटा इसका पता नहीं, इसका पता नहीं।
When touching up is really important. Welcome to Gurudwara. As you know, the camera isn't allowed inside, so I couldn't make a video. Here my Pishi Bua or auntie, my dad's younger sister, is looking for tea and biscuits. Obviously not the tea you are thinking of. You can see the apricot tree. This is the connecting point of two rivers. This is Sangam point. This is a walnut tree. This place is known as Moonland because the place looks like the land of the moon. Hope it's making sense.
মুনল্যান্ডে এসে হারিয়ে যাওয়া একটা পাখি খুঁজে পেলাম। পাখিটা এখন উড়ছে। সকাল থেকে পাখি কিছু খায়নি, দুটো বিস্কুট ছাড়া।
If you are a director, cast her as the gangster. Here is the self-obsessed me. I'm making my own videos because nobody else gives a damn. Please don't ask me what she is doing behind me. Yeah, Momo. Akshay Kumar sir, your career is in danger. Just kidding, भाई गाली मत देना. This dog is facing hair fall issues. Use rosemary water. Oh yes, we love our country. I love my India.
Hi.
Welcome to Kargil. सही समझ रहे हो? वैसे ही लगेज उठाया गया है इसके ऊपर से इसके ऊपर. I don't want to talk anything about this hotel. यार, there was not even a mirror. But the view is nice, as you can see. Now we are going to visit the LOC border viewpoint. Here you can see the apricot village. Before the war of India-Pakistan in 1971, this mud road used to join India and Pakistan together. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Here we are trying to see the India-Pakistan border and a part of Pakistan with the help of telescope. You heard the sound, right? The nature sound. Well, that is it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.